Hi all. Okay, we've got a version of table football which we found on the internet. So it's just somebody else's idea, but there's some great ideas on the internet. So have a good look around. So this is a form of table football. Eliza and Wilson has a ball each. Okay, and what they're going to try and do is blow their ball into the opposite caps. Okay, are you ready, guys? Off you go. Go on, Wells. Off you go. There's another ball, Lice. Ooh, unlucky Wells. Try not to use your hands. You blow in, you blow in. Ooh, unlucky. There's another ball. There's another two balls.
Oh, that really.
Okay, so well done, Wells. Yay! Well done, Wilson.
This is hard.
Keep trying though. Ooh, unlucky. Okay, Eliza's keeping trying. She's got lots of ping pongs that she can do. Ooh.
Oh, yes.
Lots of fun. The whole family can play. Mums, dads, gramps, grands, children, cousins. All good. Oh, keep trying, keep trying.
I'm trying it. I'll take this one.
Okay, I want to go. Well, so close. Say bye, guys.